Tired of watching your crypto gains disappear to fees? What if I told you that you could buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and hundreds of other cryptocurrencies on Coinbase with zero trading fees? It sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. For a long time, buying crypto on the main Coinbase app meant paying a variable fee on every transaction. It was simple, but it wasn't cheap. The good news is, Coinbase has evolved, and now there are two main ways to cut those fees to zero. The first is a game changer for active traders, Coinbase Advanced. This is a separate, more robust trading platform available within your regular Coinbase account. The beauty of Advanced is its fee structure. Instead of those high, flat-rate fees, it uses a maker-taker model based on your trading volume. For many users, this means fees as low as 0%, especially if you're a market maker. All you have to do is navigate to the Advanced Trade section, fund it from your main Coinbase account, and you're ready to start trading with a fee structure that's designed for serious crypto enthusiasts. Now, what about the other option? That's where Coinbase One comes in. This is a monthly subscription service that, among other benefits, gives you zero trading fees on the standard Coinbase platform. You get priority customer support, boosted staking rewards, and more. It's perfect for the person who values simplicity and wants to make frequent, smaller trades without worrying about those pesky transaction fees adding up. It's a flat fee for all the trades you want to make, up to a certain limit each month. So, which one is right for you? If you're an advanced user who wants granular control and is focused on large, frequent trades, Coinbase Advanced is the clear winner and it's free to use. But if you're a casual investor who just wants to buy and sell crypto without the stress of fees, the flat fee of a Coinbase One subscription might be worth it. Either way, you're now equipped to take control of your crypto purchases and keep more of your money working for you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.